Hello everyone, welcome to GB Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. Right, in the previous class we have seen how to write what is Postman and then how to install that Postman, how to log into the web view, right, in the browser how to log in, and how to download desktop Postman, how to log into that. Right, once we done setup, right, like this this is the view of it. Right. Now if you see what is there is a header is there, home, workspaces. Right, we can create this is the home, just it will give the high level, right, what is the workspaces. Right, this is the REST API basics. If you want to write documentation of it, right, authorization method, data visualization, documentation about this Postman, right, we can we can click on it, we can see those documentation also. Right, if you want to create, on top we have workspaces, we can also create or any number of workspaces. Workspace is like a, right, in the Eclipse we will create a workspace, right, Eclipse workspace or IntelliJ, we will create a workspaces. Right, same way here also, this is the workspace where we will keep our projects. Right, we can keep any number of projects under one workspace. We can create any number of workspaces, and then there is a API network. Right, it will provide the default APIs. If you want to write API security, finance services, DevOps. These are all the different APIs. If you click on it, it will show us those APIs. Right, then we can invite. If you want to invite we can create the workspace. We can invite the team into this workspace to work collaboratively. Right, we can also do that. And then settings, we can do this is the Postman settings, and then any notification, and then profile. Your profile we can see here, just upgrade if you want to upgrade it. Right, any new releases are there, Postman, we will get notifications. And then here we will have a billing. If you want a commercial licensed one, we can see the billing, and then we can purchase it. Right, and then in the left side we will have a collections. Right, we will have a collections, environments, right, flows. Right, then history, right, whatever we have executed, it will show all the history details. We will see all one by one, just a high level I am explaining. Right, and then here also in the right side, right on the top, we can also create environments. Right, we can create the environments, and then if we click on it, we can create the variables. Right, environment variable, global variables, wallet variables. These are all the variables we can create it. Right, then right, just that is about the high level view of the Postman. Right, just if you want to create any sample, right, if you want to create any sample API demos are there. Right, if you want to go through it, right, REST API basics, RESTful API basics. Right, see, it will already have some of the predefined APIs. If you click on it, we will get automatically those things. Right, it will have a, see, this is the variables, right, variable, how to get this. We will see those things later. Just here we will have a what basic, if we have idea, that will be easy for us. Otherwise I will explain those things. Right, the API will what it will have, it will contain the different types of methods: get, post, put, patch, delete, head, options. These are the request HTTP methods. We will call it as HTTP methods. It will have a URL, right, URL, right, host, HTTPS, either we can use security, right? HTTPS means more secure, right? HTTP also will be there. If you don't have any security, then we will have a host, right? Where these APIs are hosted, right? That is the host of it, and then this is the path URL. This is the URL of it, request URL. Right, it will contain a, right, we will see in detail those things, and it will have a params, authorization, headers, body, right, scripts if you want to validate, prerequisite, script, post, response, right, then settings, right. Just if you click on send, right, what it will give the response of it, right. You made a get request, right, 200, okay, right. We will get the response headers. If we have any cookies, it will return response body, response header, then here it will show response whether it is passed or failed, right. Then how many milliseconds it took, what is the response code, 200, success, right. How many milliseconds it took to execute, what is the response size, right. If you want to save the response, you can click on the save response, it will save it, right. If you want to, on the right side, right, we can have a documentation part of it. We can also generate the document for our request also, right. And then it will have a footer also. It will have a footer whenever we are executing, right. It will show the console request, those details, right. It will have a footer also, right. This is the overall high level what it will contains. It will have a, right, a file. These are all common file, no, edit tab, view tab, if you want to do zoom in, zoom out, right. These are all help tab, right. We can also connect to, we can store to GitHub also, right. We can also store in the GitHub, and we can get directly from the GitHub, right. That also we can do it. This is about the just a high level overview. In detail we will see in the coming sessions, we will see in detail more, right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, enable notification, please share to your friends, comment in the comment section if you have any queries or suggestions, please like the video. Thanks for watching.